Hello and welcome to this Owatrol tutorial. Today I'm going to be cleaning up this nice old bench. Seems to have got quite faded, so I've got to give it a good clean first as well. It's extremely dirty. It's been out in the garden over the winter. So for cleaning purposes, and one of the questions we get asked many times is, what do we use for cleaning before using Polytrol? The answer is a product called Pura-Trol. Pura-Trol is a cleaning agent that is non-corrosive, non-acidic, and can be used in many applications. I'm going to be using it on here today. You can use it to clean your floors, clean your cars, you can even clean your engines with it. As I say, it's non-corrosive, so it won't do any damage and can be used for multiple purposes. So Pura-Trol is what we're going to use. Then, as many people will have seen, Polytrol Colours Restorer. This product will be used today to bring life back to this faded bench. As I will bring it forward now, you will see there's lots of fading on the metal here. And what this will do is it will restore that colour and leave it there for a minimum of 12 months, even left out in the sunshine. So let's get cracking. Okay, so I've got my water ready. Get the Pura-Trol. I've got around 2 litres of water in there, so I'm going to do a 1 to 10 mix. Giving it a good shake to start with. Mix it up. Ideal. There we go. Let's give this a clean. And that's cleaned, ready for the hose. We'll come back in 10. It's been cleaned, it's been washed, ready to have Polytrol. So I've got everything I need. I've got Polytrol, painting, empty, and I always like to use a paintbrush. Many people will use a rag to put it on, but I find that actually absorbs a lot of the Polytrol, so I always prefer to put it on with a brush. And the microfiber cloth. This is very important because after 10 minutes of putting on the Polytrol, you must wipe off with a microfiber lint-free cloth. If not, it becomes sticky, it becomes claggy, and it becomes a right mess to come off. So put it on in areas that you can work in within 10 minutes. Don't go for the whole piece of material that you're working on. Just do it in small areas that you can wipe off within 10 minutes. And that's how it works. Put your Polytrol on, wipe off after 10 minutes, job done. What's vitally important is that you keep it out of direct sunlight. You'll see that I've moved the stool out of the way because it was in direct sunlight. That way it's going to dry out too quickly. Give this a shake. We'll open up. It goes a long way, so you don't need a huge amount of it. Put that to one side. Just put the lid on so it doesn't get any impurities in there. Put it on amply so it covers the area. Just going to leave that and then I'll wipe it. Here we go. Almost like having a brand new piece of furniture. Fading's gone. We put the sheen back. And I've used literally 10-15 mils of that Polytrol to restore the garden furniture back to new.